Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 12, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with a device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. You'll have two different holes here. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout. You can see where the pin is holding right now. From there, push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray, you'll have space for two different SIM cards, one on either side. You can obviously occupy both of these spots, meaning top and bottom, or just one, which in this case it doesn't really matter which one you choose. You can select the bottom one, the top one, it's completely up to you. Just when inserting card, make sure it clips into place. It is retention held by this little plastic part right here, so if you flip it over, the card shouldn't fall out of the tray, and additionally it should be laying completely flush on the tray. As you can see here, it's not protruding anywhere. Once that is the case, you can insert the card back into your device and it should start working right away. Give it a second. There we go. It tells me to enter my SIM card PIN. Once confirmed, it unlocks the SIM card and it's now ready to be used. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.